Good morning, garden friends. Happy Sunday. I hope y'all are doing well. So I've been busy here and there around the garden area, and one of the things I wanted to share with you is I had a little mini project that I gave myself in my front yard, and it was 3 larger bushes that have been there for years that I wanted to cut down. And I was like, well, what am I gonna do? The little hand saw? No, that's gonna wear me out. So I saw a few of you on YouTube use the little mini chainsaw. So I'm like, let's test it out with this and see how it works. So I did find one on Amazon I liked. And no, this is not sponsored. If I just find something I like, I'm gonna share it with you. So let me show you. So I did purchase this little chainsaw, and it did the job very well. I did have to tighten up the blade here as it did come loose, but other than that, excuse me, it is good to go. So let me go show you the pile that I had to cut down. There was 3 of these, and they were all right there. No longer though. I left that one, and then I left this one. And then look at this whole big pile. They were pretty good size, but it says 6 inches, so, but yeah. So it does look a little bare in between, but that's because you're used to these big bushes that have been there for many years. Okay, back in the garden area. So here are my little peas. They're getting to the point where they're yellowing out now, but these had white flowers on it, and I'm curious, did you all find, I find these sweeter than, let me show you. Here are the purple ones, and I did not find these as sweet as the other ones, and I'm wondering, maybe they were just too ripe, or maybe it's just the pea itself. But I'm having really good luck with my zucchini. The squash is doing well, and look at this beauty. And look at, there's already some more zucchini, so I'm pretty excited about that. My chocolate mint. And look at the corn that we just planted is coming up. Look at the sunflowers, they're doing good. And for the most part, these are doing okay, minus it looks like we got a little loops over here. So hopefully some of the eggplants will be doing okay. It might be getting too warm for them, but we'll see. Hollyhocks are growing well back there. And look at this gorgeous lettuce. Look at how beautiful it's doing. There's a few little minor nips and bits here, but they're gorgeous. And my rose bush is finally growing new leaves, so it's happy over here. It's really humid outside. We're supposed to get rain, a lot of rain this week. Let me look at the forecast again. So today's the 7th. It's supposed to storm Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then it looks like it's supposed to storm and rain Monday, let me look at the calendar, the 15th through the 21st. So hopefully we'll see a big difference in growth for the better. And I do need to start planting some more things. But other than that, yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. Let me know how your garden's doing. And my puppies are ready to eat breakfast. So I'm gonna go feed them, and you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.